Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and today we have an unboxing video for you guys. We're looking at the new Garmin Vivofit 4. So today we're doing an unboxing of the new Garmin Vivofit 4. This has been out now for a couple of months. I'm a little bit late getting to this review, but this is Garmin's entry-level device, coming in at around $99. So I'm doing an unboxing today, and of course you guys, if you know my channel, you know what that means. I'm going to be doing a full-fledged review of this product here this next week. So look for that full review here in about a week from now. But the Vivofit 4 does come with some cool features. One being that the battery life on this is a full year because it does not come with a battery charger. Instead, it comes with a built-in battery that will last a full year. And then after the battery goes dead, you'll have to take that battery out, and it's a watch-style battery that is replaced inside the device. So it's a little bit of a pain to change the battery, but again, you're going to get a full year battery life from this device without having to mess around with charging it. So inside the box, you're going to get basically just the device itself plus manuals and paperwork on the device, and that's it. No charger, nothing else in the box, simply because, again, this does not have a battery charger. It doesn't need that. It has a replaceable battery inside. So nothing else in the box, just the paperwork and the device itself. Okay, so here is the device, and as you can see, it's not really breaking from the previous designs of the Vivofit devices. This looks a lot like the previous generation Vivofit 3. So we are getting about a half-inch screen on the front, half-inch by half-inch square display with a single metallic button on the front that you can use to long press or quick press in order to navigate through the different menus. There is no touchscreen on this. Obviously, a touchscreen would kind of be a little bit awkward navigating on such a small screen, so it will navigate only using the button. Now, even though this does have a waterproof designation, so you can take this swimming or take this with you into the shower, it is technically not able to track swimming. However, it does have a built-in accelerometer, so this will track other types of exercise. This does have automatic exercise detection. Additionally, this does say that it has connectivity to Bluetooth and ANT+, which is going to be important because I'm hoping that this will pair with external sensors like heart rate sensors like chest straps and armbands, because as you can see, this does not have a built-in optical heart rate sensor. So this does not automatically track your resting heart rate or your active heart rate. You will apparently have to pair this with an external sensor in order to get that feature. So the watch comes with a standard watch style clasp, and you'll have kind of a textured band on the outside, or a textured feel on the outside of the band with a smooth texture on the inside of the band. Now again, this is Garmin's entry-level device, so it's going to be one of their most basic in terms of what it will track. This will track your steps, your all-day calories and distance, as well as your sleep, and this will track a variety of different exercises, but again, there's going to be limitations inherent to this device that you're not going to have on their more expensive devices. So this is an entry-level device for those of you that are kind of looking to dip your toes into the Garmin ecosystem. Now, I did want to say something very quickly about the sizing on this. This comes in two sizes, a large size and then what they call their small to medium size. Now, I got the small to medium size because I have what I consider to be a medium-sized wrist, and this fits pretty snug on my wrist. So if you have a medium-sized wrist, I would actually recommend to go with the larger version of this watch. So that's it for now. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look and an unboxing experience and my first impressions of this watch. I will obviously have a full review here in about a week's time, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.